Effective home marketing requires strategy, preparation, and a deep understanding of buyer behavior. Today's buyers search differently, consume information differently, discover homes across digital platforms, social media, relocation channels, and online search systems. Understanding how buyers think, search, compare, and make decisions plays a critical role in successful home marketing. With 26 years of experience and over 1,000 homes sold, we continuously study market conditions, pricing trends, and buyer behavior to help position properties most effectively. We help coordinate every stage of preparation, including staging guidance, deep cleaning, minor repairs, professional measurements, photography, and open house presentation. Our marketing strategies are guided by analytics, market interpretation, and are continuously monitored and refined over time to improve visibility, engagement, and buyer response. We study migration patterns, affordability trends, interest rate environments, and regional economic conditions that influence buyer movement into Edmonton. We market your home locally and across Canada through our YouTube channel, now approaching 250,000 subscribers, as well as Instagram, Facebook, and Google. Our relocation campaigns focus heavily on buyers from the Greater Toronto Area, Vancouver, Victoria, and other high-cost housing markets. Affordability and lifestyle trends continue driving increasing migration toward Edmonton. To help engage and educate buyers, we've developed a centralized real estate resource platform called the Property Playbook. Buyers can explore communities, relocation planning, market insights, educational videos, and available housing opportunities throughout Edmonton. Today, real estate marketing requires economic interpretation, buyer behavior analysis, and the strategic use of advanced digital and AI-assisted marketing systems. We're Marty and T with Remax Real Estate. We bring strategic positioning, market intelligence, national and international exposure. Visit the Property Playbook for the next step to book your consultation. To access our full suite of real estate services and resources, visit the link in the description below.